Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 109 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds, brought to you by our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build one of these along with me, and who wouldn't, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic car. Right, if you think back to last time, we stuck the rear valance on, so that's all done and dusted. Today we're going to be putting on the rear bumper and the iconic number plate, folks, okay? So that's what we're up to there. Number plate just lines up on the two holes there. Couple of PS12 screws just to secure that in place. And then the rear bumper is a press fit into the four holes just on the back. And that's what we're going to end up with today on our Eleanors, folks. Just tidies up that back end. We're ready for the last issue, folks. It's that issue already, the penultimate. So let's put the magazine to one side. We'll bring Eleanor in. We'll swap camera angles so you can see what I'm doing. And we'll put this together for you, folks. Right, we've swapped camera angles, so we'll bring in the number plate. Sit that on them two pegs there in the middle. Like that. That's the first one in. That's the second one in. And then we've already oiled one of the screws, so we can line that up. And start gently screwing that in. Again, don't go too tight, folks. Just like that. Grab the second one. Nice little bit of oil on that. Bink. Let it run down the thread. And then we'll just deftly line that up. There you go, that's cutting that already. And again, don't go too tight. Perfect. So that's that in. We then get the rear bumper piece, spin that round, and we're lining it up with these four post holes just in there. And we can start pressing that. In place. Quite tight. But they will go. Like that. There you go. Perfect. And that's the rear bumper done and dusted, folks. And doesn't she look beautiful, eh? Yes, Vesta. Absolutely stunning. So that's where we're at today with that. We've then got the side skirts to go on in the final issue, folks. So we'll leave that one there, nice and quick, as you can see. We'll just spin the camera so that you can see the rest of Eleanor in her beauty. And as you can see, doesn't she look beautiful? Absolutely stunning. I think you'll all agree it is an absolutely spectacular artwork, folks. Absolutely beautiful. So we'll leave that there for today. Don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful model. Also, to help me out, you can click the little fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel. It's free. Really helps the channel grow, keeps it alive. Also, ring the bell ding-a-ling-ling. That way you'll get notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.